Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford Ecosport steering wheel. This common security feature engages when you remove the key and turn the wheel, preventing theft. Don't worry, it's a simple process once you understand the technique. We will go through the steps together, ensuring you can get back on the road quickly and safely. It usually takes just a few seconds to resolve. The most common method involves a gentle wiggle. First, insert your ignition key completely into the ignition slot. Now, with one hand, gently turn the key as if starting the car. Simultaneously, with your other hand, gently wiggle the steering wheel from side to side. You should feel the lock disengage with a soft click, allowing the key to turn freely. Sometimes, a bit more effort is needed. If the initial gentle wiggle doesn't work, try applying slightly more force. Turn the steering wheel firmly in one direction, then the other, while maintaining steady pressure on the key in the ignition. You are looking for the sweet spot where the internal locking pin releases. This might require a few attempts, but avoid excessive force. To ensure success, always use your original, undamaged ignition key. Never force the key or apply extreme pressure, as this could damage the ignition cylinder. If you've tried these steps multiple times and the steering wheel remains locked, it's best to consult your Ford Ecosport's owner's manual or contact a qualified mechanic for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.